Bonjour, I'm Elena Roubinski. I'm a Franco-Italian second-year master's student here at the Laurence School of Transnational Governance. And today, we're attending a discussion on which way for Europe with the French State Secretary for European Affairs, Laurence Boone. Why is it important for the EU to become geopolitical power?
Become a stronger geopolitical power to preserve its economic and social model, to preserve its sustainable model, being the first ecological region in the world, and to preserve the values that are at the basis of this community, which is democracy, freedom of expression, independence of justice, and the fight against corruption. So to preserve our way of living.
What are the pillars on which the EU should work on to bolster its future?
So the first pillar is obviously social cohesion, and that all Europeans have a sense of belonging to a European community. And for this, we need a strong economics with good jobs for people across the EU territories, which is why it's important to have a reliable supply of competitive energy and a very strong industrial policy. And after that, we need to, not after, even before, secure our institution to preserve democracy, freedom of expression, independence of justice, and the fight against corruption.
My main takeaway from this conversation with the ministers was her optimistic outlook on the future of the EU, specifically on the policy of enlargement, and her frank and honest opinion on the challenges and the opportunities that lie ahead within this policy.